Pleasant Saturday morning here in the field with the deer and the birds here in the Rocky Point recharge zone. I was noticing that when you look, say for example this way, and you're still for some time, there is a slight range of color that emerges over time. The indigo flash of the dorsal part, the top of the barn swallow, Hirundo rustica, and then the flash of the rustic color that gives it rustica, that rusts on the bottom of the thing as it's flying through the air. So there's two very distinct colors. Then the cardinals came by, bright red, cardinalis, cardinalis, and then the flycatcher, tyrant flycatcher, Tyrannus verticalis, with the yellow belly, bright yellow belly, and it flew through the environment. And then the mockingbird with the black and white lines on the gray body. So those 5 species, just normal common birds, but here against this green backdrop suddenly provide these pops of color. Indigo, rust, red, yellow, gray, white, black. And that doesn't become evident until you come out to the field and sit quietly and observe.